Activity codes are the fourth level of a project's control budget infrastructure. You have phases, WBS, disciplines, and activities. Activities are mapped to disciplines in order to streamline the drop-down selection process throughout the system. To add, edit, or remove activities, simply click the Codes and Settings menu link underneath the Project Administration parent menu. Within there, click the Activities tab at the top. If you do not see the Activities tab, it is likely because you do not have permissions to do so, and you should contact your system administrator. To add a new activity, simply click the Add New Record button in the top left corner of the grid. You will be prompted with a number of drop-down and input fields. The first being the discipline. Select the discipline in which this activity is associated with, for example, piping. Then type in the activity code, for example, SB01 for small bore 01. The activity name could be small bore pipe. The unit of measure will be the actual unit of measure for that activity and will be used to drive your quantity install curves and various material reports. You will then see you have three options here for dropdowns: a primary, secondary, and tertiary identifier. Those are actually custom fields that are available to serve as user-defined. They give you multiple abilities to roll up and report in different ways on these activities. Please refer to the Activity Identifier section of the training manual to understand how these work. Lastly, you have cost centers. Cost centers are defined at the enterprise level and should be selected based on the applicable cost center for this activity. Once you have completed the input, then hit Save Changes. You will notice this activity has now been added and will become available for use throughout the system. To edit a activity, if you made a mistake or want to change the naming convention, simply click the pencil icon out to the right. You will then be prompted with the same window where you can save the changes. To delete an activity, simply click the X and hit OK once it prompts you if you want to delete the record.